In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image into Clipchamp. So what you want to do here is open up the app and then come up to here and click Import Media. So from here, you want to select the image that you want to add. I'm going to add this Minecraft wallpaper here. Now, you can see it's popped up in here and it's loaded and ready to go. You can click this, drag this, and you can put this on top of your existing file and your existing workflow. Now you can drag this along to where you want it to start. So let's say I want to start here, we can drag it to here. And you can see it's popped up over here like this. Now, you probably don't want it to look like this, just over the top. So I'm going to teach you how to edit it. First of all, you can resize it. So to resize it, you click and drag, and that's going to resize it like that. You can then bring it around here. You can move it where you want to move it. Now, when you let go, you're going to see there's a few options here. This one is to fit, so this will fit to screen. This one here is crop, so if you want to crop to a specific area, say you want these trees, you can do that. Hit enter, and it's going to change it. I'm just going to undo that. Say you want to have picture in picture, you can click that and you click top right, and it's going to put it into there. There's rotate, so you can click it, rotate it like that. And as you can see there, I just messed up the one behind because I didn't select this one, so make sure you're selecting the image the whole time. You can flip it, and you flip it like that. Nice. So those are the visual settings. Now there's a few other settings that you can change with this. So say you want the image to fade in, you can use this here, and that's going to change how long it takes to fade in. So today's video I'm going to teach you, see there, fades in. You can add some filters to it. So you want it to look retro, you want it to look like this. You can just go through here, look at all the different filters and select one that you may like. Next, you can go to effects. Now here we got VHS, Vaporwave. These are all basically different presets, blur, all of this kind of stuff. Pick whichever one you want. And then you've also got here, we've got the colors, so we can brighten it, darken it with the exposure. We can change the contrast up or down, change the saturation, change the temperature to make it look warm or cold. And then transparency, if you want it to be like a transparent overlay, you can do this. And there's a few blending modes here. These really depend on what you're trying to do. But that's pretty much how you edit it. Now the last thing you can do is just click here to lengthen and shorten the image itself. And you can just right click on here if you want to duplicate, copy, paste, or split or delete. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.